Welcome to a clean with me video. This is a very quick clean. And this is for that moment you realize you did nothing other than scroll or watch a screen for the past 3 hours. And your person will be home very soon and you want it to seem like you cleaned. Like you didn't just sit around looking at all the trash and dirty dishes, happily not caring about anything until 5 minutes before you have to care. And you grab your oldest child because he's capable and he doesn't think you're lazy. No. He actually thinks you're awesome, and he'll do sweet things like film you cleaning and make a YouTube video for your channel that has under 50 subscribers even after 3 years. So even though your voiceover is one long run-on sentence, you make a New Year's Day video. You do it, and your viewers might feel inspired to clean something up or do something useful. And your person comes home while you're doing this, but you still feel accomplished. And you might even feel happy. You might even feel happy that you did this thing, that you used your executive function skills. Happy that you have a little more room around you to breathe. And happy that the new year has begun. Happy New Year.